Hi, in front of me is Nokia 2.4 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Then go into Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show up and tap on the one that you want to connect to. Select Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you want to forget this connection, tap on this gear icon next to device and choose Forget. Then forget device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!